What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. You don't know, back in the building. Yo, Dan Mafia. How y'all doing today? Huh? How y'all doing today? Today, you see what we're doing today? Today, we got a special request from one of our family members. You know what I'm saying? This one was actually requested by our family member, O'Dane Reed. We're going to put it up here and, you know what I'm saying? O'Dane, big up yourself. Yeah, man. This was a request by O'Dane. He was like, yo, how come you never reacted to Skillibeng Peppa Green? And I'm like, that's a good question. Let me check it out. So I went and check it out and I realized, yo, it's an audio, you know, and it's not it's an audio, it's not actually a music video, but we gonna get it done regardless, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Let me know if you want more audio reactions. I used to do a lot of audio reactions back in the day, but I thought you guys liked the videos more, so that's why I haven't been doing a lot of audio lately. So just let me know, and you definitely know I'll get it done, you know what I'm saying? That's all you gotta do is just hit that request, you know, just jump in the comments, send that request, and you know, once I see it and it's a song I haven't done yet, I'm gonna get it done for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So don't be scared to send in a request, you know what I'm saying? And make sure, guys, you're hitting up the like and the subscribe button. You don't know, guys, I keep appreciating the support, and we're going strong over here, you know what I'm saying? So keep liking, keep subscribing, keep dropping them comments. You know, the goal for this year, we're trying to 10k subs, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to 10k subs. And the goal for every video, guys, come on, we're trying to get no less than 50 likes on our video. So go ahead and help your boy out. We're trying to get no less than 50 likes on video. So if you're watching this, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the littest family on YouTube. You don't know them. They don't have the energy like we, they don't have the vibes like we. So join the family. We're going strong over here. A lot of surprises and surprises coming. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. It's a vibe, man. So yeah, man. So they want to request it by O'Dane Reed. He asked me to react to Skillibeng Peppa Green, and we ain't even gonna hold up the vibes much longer, man. We're gonna jump right in the track. You see me? Yeah, man. This is Skillibeng Peppa Green audio. Let's get it.
Yo, Alvaro.
Okay.
Peppa Green, shot in her head like Peppa Green. Decorate boy face, decorate, handle, escape, firing pan them. Skilly, a shot up your chest plate. Knocky calish, brain and go up on a jet plane. Pornographic, nostographic, roll up and we sort of party couple shot.
Easy now, man. Okay. Peppa Green. Okay, that was a drop lyrics like Peppa. Okay, alright. Rapid lyrics. Easy now, man. Fire. Yeah, man, alright.
Protopathic so badness. No parage below body fist. Stop me shot them from me clapping Mac 90. Something worse than a bowl of fine him. Then on my might.
Ooh, from me and me Mac 90. Something worse than Ebola fine him. Easy.
Right beside me have a rifle beat like Michael till you lie down. Twine up like when by your binding. Find him slice up on a knife and gunshot in a boy's skin lightning. Some striking.
Man, gunshot in a boy's skin lightning. Some striking. Easy, no?
Why is this light not bright like I is there? Head splash out. Grimy. 16 I push out and it's shiny. But if you put bullet in a boy for my timing, boy I go like ball and me just pile him. Bullet pointed you, some of them blind him. Fly the kite, man like a marrow flying. Why this guy not like it too bad bandit, so it land like
bullet pointed man, he blind him. Use marrow fine this guy like what? Easy, dog.
For my timing, boy I go like ball and me just pile him. Bullet pointed you, some of them blind him. Fly the kite, man like a marrow flying. Why this guy
fly the kite like a marrow flying? Bombard. Yo, what on now, man? They want a normal man skilly, dog. Yo, whoa. There's a lot of lyrics back at this one, dog. And the beat is so like, the beat is incorrect. So it's like the beat and the lyrics come together and make you feel like, say, yo, I'll be a fool interested, man. But the lyrics now, it's like, whoa.
Kinda like it too bad bandit, so it land like private jet. A foreign Mongol dog. I try it, calm, I try it. What the boy in a light skin. Beat is high, Rule the planet to a fool for stop my cool up panic, roll up and him vanish magic. On the door be a bad this that alone can stop the planet. But this man a savage grab it on a squeeze trigger, me grab it what this. It was
squeeze trigger, me grab it what this. Yo, easy that.
Me like saggy from me shot a jagging. Police don't know how we through traffic from me spot after we drop it target. Me clock retarded not because it had the chip up like Nero installment.
Damn, bro, I can barely catch the lyrics from this. Say I man. Say alignment. Can y'all catch all the lyrics in this on your first go without pulling up or nothing? I can't me own go on. Come on.
Decorate boy face, decorate, handle, escape, firing pan them, skilly, shut up your chest.
Ooh. Decorate boy like handle, chatting in your chest play. Yo, what up?
Naki Calice, Brian go up on a jet plane. Pornographic, nostographic, roll up and we sort of party, couple shot up, party.
Pornographic, nostographic, roll up on the tragic.
It's so badness. No, no, parents below body. If you stop me, shot them from me, clapping Mac 90, something was sad and the bowl of find him. Yeah, grimy. Head chill out, cow grimy. Grimy. Head chill out, cow grimy.
Bad. Grimy. Head chill out, cow grimy.
Grimy. Head chill out, cow grimy.
Come on.
Grimy.
Yeah.
Head chill out. Finish him like KO, boy, I chat like Credo. Them a Pinedo, ain't no game, no Halo, J-Lo, minus one potato, ain't no fucking Wados and grenades, not gonna bomb your place down. Run Jamaica, we no go run stadium.
Easy no man, Halo, Jello. Blow. Halo, no J-Lo. Yo, run the place, everyone run the place like stay there.
Chill out. Finish him like KO, boy, I chat like Credo. Them a Pinedo, ain't no game, no Halo, J-Lo,
oh boy, I chat like Radio, them a Pineno, no Halo, J-Lo, them a Colelo. Oh shit. Yo, that's a lot of lyrics. Them a chat like Radio, them a Pinedo, ain't no Halo, like J-Lo, them a Golelo. Yo, come on, bro. Come on, stop playing.
Minus one potato, ain't no fucking Wados and grenades, not gonna bomb your place down. Run Jamaica, we no go run stadium. Remember, east side of the J, cause you know, if we wake up, dream about this later, we have the mini case and the big face to bust up.
Jimbo badness later, we have a mini case and we...
Blatant, keep no vacant, Morogana Vegas, when you see the thugs, I roll up on no paper. East side murder traitor, but for what?
East side Morogana, what? When you see the thugs, them a roll up on a paper.
East side murder traitor, but for boy like Ranger gunshot in a face, I make your place at all when fun a take now. See a bunch of alien gonna sing like Sierra is a skull of terror. If we have gun and bullet, can't follow up a trailer.
Damn.
Peppa Green, is it? Peppa Green.
Yeah, gun and bullet can full up a trailer, be even self. Peppa Green.
Is it? Shot in a head like Peppa Green. Is it? Shot in a head like Peppa Green. A decorate boy face, decorate.
Decorate. Easy no man. Yo, this one got a lot of lyrics. This one gonna need more than one playthrough. For real.
Shot in my head like Peppa Green. Is it? Seafood.
Peppa Green.
License.
Yo.
Is it? Yeah. Peppa Green,
pan them man. Yeah man. Real talk. Peppa Green. Yeah man, that was a fun track, people. What y'all think about that one? Let me know anything in the comment section. Yo, what you tell think? Yo, Skillibeng be hitting them with so much lyrics and so much style, they don't even know how to deal with it. You know what I'm saying? Cause I be a lyrics another one day, and the style they come in when you use it with, it's like people feel like say, yo, that's a foolish. But yo, man, I murder man pan the one day, man, and the beat I hit too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I like the one the Skillibeng. Don't know. Anyone said the Prodigy? Yeah, Prodigy edition. Nothing. He said I'll never die. Prodigy edition. Bomba. Yo, it's an album. My dog come with a little EP or something. Whatever it is, I'm here for it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Mad thing, man. People, we know anything about the one in let me know the thing about the one in the comment section, man. I really dope chat, man. I appreciate the one. I like the one, man. Let me show you anything about this in the comment section. If I like to go show the artist some love and support, make you know it's at Jambisco. Send you. You see me if there's anything else, you know, you want me to react to, definitely drop in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. Drop your country, city, all that. Get a shout out. You're going to see your comments at the beginning of the video. All that. You don't know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And